You choose who wins, me versus my son, Melissa Joe versus Anthony Joe. If he wins, he gets $500 bonus from moi. If he loses, he has to jump in the pool with all of his clothes on. Don't skip, don't go like this, because I want my poor little toothless wonder to have a $500 bonus.
I need a tooth.
He needs a tooth. Poor little toothless wonder. Watch it all the way through. Please taste, which you can't taste, so Maddie will taste for you.
Flair.
Flair. Potatoes, and I just quartered them. Onion here, not a lot. A bit of cracked black pepper. We're not gonna need too much salt. Next step is to fold in the chicken. Cheese. Extra virgin olive oil. You're making these recipes in the oven. You wanna use the garlic because it won't burn. This. How can I lose?
Do you think Aunt knows about this secret?
No, he doesn't listen. Sometimes he's working, he's always on his phone. I see it. I'm putting this away. Hold on.
Wait, you forgot the mic.
Get a squeezy guy. Now, squeeze it in. Listen to me. Umami. This is what makes it restaurant quality. Good seasons Italian dressing seasoning mix. Going to the daggum party. That's why we don't need a lot of salt, because that has salt. Don't be looking over here. Stay in your lane,
Listen, I don't
kid.
need your recipe.
I'm gonna put a tiny bit more.
Are we looking at what she's doing?
Don't even look. I'm putting a little bit more. Let me put this away. What did you just do?
I'm watching to see how you do it.
See.
See what?
Tell me now. I pay you.
I'm just a recorder.
You're gonna take a little bit of this, not all of it, and you're just gonna pour it. Now,
What?
I will beat your.
I'm salting the chicken. Make sure
No,
you
wash your chicken, everybody. When I
Recipe?
was young, I used to cheat at Monopoly. My cousin used to go so mad. She would be crying all the time. I was a born cheater. I used to always say, I have to be the banker. I'm older. She was like 4 years younger than me. But I was stealing money the whole time. I don't steal now, but like I really was pretty bad when I was young. The chicken thigh, bone in, skin on is superior to all other cuts, even the breast. Everyone's always like, chicken breast, chicken breast. I'm like, why?
You're not gonna season the chicken?
A little bit of adobo. Just a little bit, not a lot, because again, I have seasoning in my marinade. Just look at that. I like to have a lot of extra sauce at the bottom because when I'm making broccoli, any sort of vegetable is all gonna combine and it's gonna be outrageous.
I don't even know how to cook rice.
You're gonna cut them into rounds and you're gonna let them roast in the pan and you're gonna put them on top of each piece of chicken to make it beautiful. Mine's going in the oven, baby. Timer.
Guys, we're gonna take some cherry tomatoes and we're gonna chop them up. We're gonna make our rice. So I actually don't even know how much, so I'm just gonna do a cup of rice and a cup of water.
Ooh, maybe a little more.
A little more what?
Water. It's usually a 2-to-1 ratio. Yeah.
Cook. Okay,
You're
wait,
not-
it's not even plugged in. There we go. Cook. One chicken breast. I'm gonna slice it into little pieces, slice directly down the middle.
Getting like heebie-jeebies right now.
What are you so scared of? I'm a
I am
professional.
scared of your fingers. You already have no tooth. You need to at least keep your finger.
Look. Put a little drizzle. Contrary to popular opinion, I say go heavy on the seasoning. Onion powder, paprika,
Is that smoked or regs?
regs, some oregano. Put some on the cherry tomatoes too. Tony's, get everything all around. Olive oil.
This must be clean. See, you're supposed to be cleaning.
We're on very high. Once it cuts like super high and you can kind of tell it's sizzling up and the backs start turning brown, you lower it a bit.
It does smell really good. He was practicing last night and I was like, dang, what smells so good? I was actually laying in bed hungry and I try not to eat at night. It's a super quick side dish. Water, a little bit, butter, a little bit of crushed red, a little bit of salt, a bit of pepper. Drop your spinach in.
Secret part, just for a little bit of zest, throw in some lemon.
Maddie's gonna love it because she loves lemon and that's why he got
Maddie
the
likes
tomato.
lemon?
Take this and I'm gonna bring this up to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna lower it and cover it and steam it a little bit.
Sauce right here is gonna go over the rice we're cooking. Can we all take into consideration mine was about 10-15 minutes. Hers is about 45 to an hour.
Okay.
The rigging in this competition is unreal because my dish has been done for 30 minutes. It's cold. Her dish is still in the oven. Is that fair to anyone here? Do you think that's fair?
I don't.
My food is going to...
Lemon in it.
You guys just know how much I love lemon.
Oh my gosh, you're a cheater. You want to pour it all over because we got enough for 2 bowls.
As my grandma always taught me, the steaming actually is better than just sauteing. That's what makes it like a restaurant. To drain the water out.
I don't even have a name for it. I'm just gonna call it fresh chicken and rice. Aluminum foil over it and wait for Melissa Joe to finish hers so we could taste test.
Weird way, I want him to win because he has been filming me 6 years. He is my son. Another way, no, I want to win at all costs, period.
Are you nervous or are you feeling confident?
As confident as I am with my tooth.
Why were you rigging Melissa with the salt?
Off camera, it wasn't just the salt, okay?
What else you put on it? Grab your sauce. Look how nice. Let's take this girl. I'm gonna put it right here. The best part is honestly the potatoes. At the bottom, I'm trying to get this glazy onion over here. For my spinach as well. It's Italian roast chicken and potatoes with a side of steamed spinach.
Mine is fresh garden chicken, rice, lemon, potato, delicious, tomato.
Dreamweaver.
Come on.
Give it a description.
You know I love lemon.
He used lemon too, though.
You know, I don't like spinach and that's really good. I don't like spinach. Like, it's like if it's in stuff, okay. By itself,
That's the way I cooked it.
with juice on top, like the juice, it is really good.
Yeah,
That sauce, I think the marinade made it.
Make sure you get a tomato in there, get a chicken in there. Ooh!
That is really good. I think.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Before you judge too quick. Honest rating.
I think I'm gonna have to go with Melissa's because of the sauce.
No!
This is actually excellent. Use a little bit less oregano. Didn't flavor your rice, but if you did, you might have won this.
Let me try yours too. Yeah.
Anthony's finished years ago.
We both win.
No,
You
that's
both
not
win.
how it works.
The viewers
Decide, Melissa wins the tasting, but
Presentation.
presentation.
Okay.
And one more category.
These.
You guys decide in the comments. Listen, keep in mind,
Oh my God. That spinach is unreal. His is excellent if you want like a super fresh, easy meal. We're gonna put both recipes, blog links in the description box. So look.
Okay, actually, this is really good. Subscribe, like, and comment, because next video I'm going in the pool. You can also put on post notifications, or you'll see me get $500 if I win the other two categories. So
Just say Melissa Joe or Anthony Joe. And hit the bell so you could be notified. You don't want to miss Anthony either A, getting a new tooth, B, jumping in the pool, or C, just being who he really is.
1, 2, 3.
Make it!
make it.